I am so excited about this bird feeder. Can't wait to show you everything it does. So this is everything that you're going to get with the Vico Homes Smart Bird Feeder with a solar powered camera. It comes with absolutely everything you need to install in your very own backyard. So first I'm going to start by applying the strap to the tree. This will help keep the bird feeder in place. Next, all I'm going to do is hand screw the screws into the tree. This was super easy and it took very little effort. Next, I'm going to screw in the mount for the solar panel. Here, I'm simply screwing on the antenna so that it can reach my internet or Wi-Fi. Next, all you do is screw in the bottom. Super easy, super simple. I did go ahead and fill the bird feeder with bird seed before putting it up there. Next is the little water feeder. It goes on right on here. You screw it right on the top, and it does have a attachment for a hummingbird. Next, I'm going to put on the solar panel and plug it in to the back. Here's the final look of the bird feeder with the camera. The app was super simple to download and took me about 15 minutes in all to assemble. Once you download the app, you'll open it to your home screen. Down at the bottom, you'll see a birds icon. This is where you can see the different birds that you've collected. It will log them for you. You'll see I've got some pretty awesome shots of some beautiful birds. I have absolutely loved having this bird feeder.